The sitting president, we all know what dollar because he's special. Nothing happened. I'm talking about the current sitting president. It's not only Newcastle, Mntana Sekhaya. Awukho umasipala ongabolile. Ko masipala uhloliphumile ngisho kaPapaso ukhishiwe. Umngeni is there. Omasipala baphelelwe imali. Awukho umasipala ongekho. And sizoba ne-interview no former mayor waseMpendle. We want azogeqa magula. The third parties, the ones that can pay, regardless of a political organization okuyona, ungaba ku-EFF, ungaba ku-ANC, ungaba kwini, usuku serve master ephethe imali. Unfortunately, shame on you, South Africa. The youth of 76 laid down their lives for this. Sibuswa amasela, singabiza ngabahlonishwa, sibabize ngobaba, amasela nezinto. There is nothing honorable about them. Trust me. If today we are to be honest as a nation, maybe there is one honorable or there is none. The sitting president, we all know what dollar because he's special. Nothing happened. I'm talking about the current sitting president. Unfortunately, his deputy, may his soul rest in peace, the former deputy, but the current deputy, we are grant that could have benefited many South African kids. 70 million was concentrated on his family. 70 million, that's how selfish these people are. Leo Mali just went to housing. As a defender, this is how low we can come and that's how stupid we are. Former president Ngamalala is also the same. We are Sisuke kuloyo Thabo Mbeki unkosikazi wakhe usema company nangazi Gem Medical Aid nani she's a millionaire. Uyathinteka naye and akekho ofuna ukusala ngaphandle, black and white. So I'm saying to you besinethemba ukuthi if kushintsha ubuholi ngoba khona ushintsho kuyashintsha lezinto kuyafana kungena okunye kuba worse, but I'm praying ukuthi one day ngelinye ilanga sothi masushiya lo mhlaba khona okuyokwenzeka. Izingane zakithi, I'm saying shame on you. Ningena 7 days a week nifunda kanzima, nifundela ukuhlala emakhaya, nithola ama results amahle, nisebenze kanzima. And thank you to those teachers who work very hard. It's very sad. We hear every day ukuthi ikhundla mawufuna uba principal 100,000. We hear that from amasekhethe angafani. You want to be a principal, you must pay 100,000 to igenge le yamanyunyana yama union amasela lawa nobo emhlanje ekuyiwona phethe lezinto. That's a sad part. And I am saying to you, they can kill us up until it is enough. They won't finish us. They will never be able to finish us. Amasulmane ayati holy war. This is jihad. Holy war egameni lokuthi we are fighting for what is rightfully ours. This country is ours. It does not belong to the politicians. And they always can stand up and say, Siteg bona, Tina, we want water, electricity, and job opportunities. And they must stop stealing. They must stop stealing, bantu bakithi. Bengithi asidluleni lapho, sikhulunyiswa ile sasakhiwo. Mina ngiyothi mangithi ngitshele umasipala owaziyo ongathinteki enkohlakalweni. Shiya ukuthi khona umkhonzile nomthandayo nozomdefender ziyafana lezi zinto. If asifani bawu5 noma bawu10 abaclean. iSouth Africa yonke amasela lezi zinto uyakubona ngisho kuhamba ukuthi ujuluke ngisho umtsentsela uxakwe ubusela usuze wamila uboya kumila uboya nasemakhaleni amasela so kuyinto ngeke uzuyicha sengathi ingulube yehlathi intibana unuka ubusela buphuma ngeziqu zoboya ubusela. Baba Umyeza, councillor Semsinga, one of the councillors that is loved by his people. Siyabonga ukuthi you are doing something right. Nalia councillor umeya Khumalo ogcine engakwazanga ukungena clean governance walapha ya kumasipala umasipala wase Hlabisa igama lakhe asazi kwakhiwe ibhilidi elidala ngazomsa ngalifaka yini imiyeza ibhilidi elidala obonayo ukuthi ibhilidi elidala lika 70,000 to 1.1 million. Why do politicians do this? Niyenzelani lento baba umiyeza? Nali ibhilidi mhlambe angazi ngenza njani le ndoda. Siyalibona ibhilidi lika 1.1 million.
Nomafu
ngena bafana mama
Nomafu la ingasekhala engisuka khona angubeke lokho angiqale laphana ukwahlabisa la ukuphuma khona umongameli umhlonishwa uVF Hlabisa okubaba uvele enkosini Hlabisa and-ke lokhu nguthathe from imedia ngicabanga ukuthi kuyavela lapha uma kukhona umuntu ongakuzuma ngikubone kupostwe kumedia kade kupostwe imisebenzi yeqembu likaMntwana kaPhinda angena ukuthi selenze yona miphi imisebenzi mangizwa ke kwabahlala eKZN ngasekhaya kunama ground even angazi o 2 bani noma 4 million kade bengisendela kwasho ukuthi akusiyona interest enginayo yalawo ma ground la ukuthi kwenzakalani ngikhe emthethweni angisilona iphoyisa ngibese ngiba ne-interest nje ngalokho kade kufakwe ku-Facebook laphana ngikubona ukuthi
uyazi ukuthi ukuchallenge khona niyazi bantu bakithi ngizoni-challenge nonke ngoba ngifuna ukuba ngathi clean governance is after iqembu elilodwa lenkatha asambe nje umuntu nomuntu alethe ihlazo lamasipala wangakubo sasa asiqale si-update abantu ngendaba kaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanasi. We are waiting on president to pronounce ukuthi nazi indaba seyifikile kuyena nabo ubufakazi buyavela every day. Namhlanje ubaba ucommissioner wamaphoyisa kazwelonke uMasimula uthe akuyena wathuma uKhumalo ukuthi akahlakaze lolwaphiko futhi uKhumalo kuzofanele atshele isizwe amenthi useUsibiya ukuthi akuyena wathuma uSibiya ukuthi akahlakaze lolwaphiko ubaba uSibiya kofanele asithethe wayithunywa ubani. But while we are waiting for that, we would like to re-emphasize this. We are not a violent nation, but we don't want to be provoked. This country is only what we have. And I always believe, Amazwa sure in the late Steve Matubiko when he said, it is better to die for an idea that will live than to live for an idea that will die. So, sizolinda, but ngizocela ukuthi sonke ungakhethi umasipala ukuthi imuphi yobheka amahlazo kamasipala wangakini ngoba I bet you angifuni ukuba ngathi safi inkatha kodwa babheda bonke sikhuluma sizoqala ngomasipala wokuqala soqala ngeTheku kusasa sithathe iTheku sithole nabantu baseThekwini basikhombise okuyikona okungenzeki kufanele kuyenzeka ama project akhokhelwa uza nesamba semali usho khona sizothi masimjaha umeya wakhona simjahe ngento ekhona masisuka siya kumasipala masisuka eThekwini siya eMsunduze masisuka eMsunduze siya eNewcastle masisuka eNewcastle umasipala wesi4 ilapha ya eMhlathuza siya kumasipala waseMhlathuza. Those 4 municipalities. Guys, this is our country. Ngifuna ukunitshela nina enincethezayo. Esengikhuluma ngani enincethezayo enisuka la asinandaba nalomuntu wakho ophethe. Sikhulu sakho siyezwa kuthiwa abanye banama security baneyinkabi. We don't care about that. Kuhle ngoba bayibonile enye inkabi legwetshwe inqwaba yo life. Siningi ezinye ezisejele ezinenkinga yokuthi osopolitiki mase bekwenza si dirty work bakushiya kanjalo. Baphinde futhi kuthiwa bakuthume balanda imali bazi ukuthi usuyazi bakubulala. Then we will go to Johannesburg. We'll go to Governor Mbeki. Awukho umasipala esizowuyeka. Eastern Cape it's worse. Kunendawo lapha eKSD 127 akuhambeki noma kushoniwe umgaqa wukho. They don't do regraveling kodwa imali iyasetshenziswa ye regraveling. We will also come to Umvoti, but tomorrow we would like to focus on 4 municipalities. We come with projects, see, we name them and shame them, and we deal with them. Lamasela anogovana. Babu Miyeza siyabonga ngale sesakhiwe. So we'll deal with this municipality as well.
Noma
Hambe ngawo manje noma sasa.
Nomafu angikho la angiconcentrate la. Kodwa konke engifisa ukuyidlulisa into oyishilo. Kubhlungu on our brothers nabantu of which are our fellows esiphila nabo la eMzansi ama South Africans. Awukwazi ukuthanda usopolitiki ngaphezulu kwezwe lakho. That is the huge mistake you can do. Awukwazi ukuthi ungathanda usopolitiki ngaphezulu kwe-development yakho noma ngaphezulu komphakathi ohlele kuwona. Uthanda an individual exista for 5 years. Kunento engifuna uyikhumbuza abantu. Uyabona umhlonishwa ukakubuke uma ekusendela u1.5 noma u2000 rand we-e-wallet kapetrol ongayicela. Akubuka usugiya usumposta ko WhatsApp nako Facebook usumdefender. Akubuka impatho. Uyibuza umbuzo wodwa ukuthi wena yena umhlonishwa ingane yakhe ingaphila ngalo 2000 rand akusendele wona. Into nje uqala ufuna ukuqala uyibuze wona ngoba umthwele wena uphila uwazi ukuthi umhlonishwa into oqala yabona umhlonishwa ngisho ngakunika isikhundla kube wona odistribute izinkwa nokuthi abantu bengawugebhuli kakhulu upholoni mangabe kuthiwa kuyakhankasa noma kwenziwa emphakathini usukwazi ukuthi udom vele especially mabekwazi imbovu ukuthi usubscribeile kwi-organization wathi mina ngiyoze ngife ngukhongolo sengiyoze ngife ngeinkathe ngiyoze ngife ngiyini ngiyi-Democratic Alliance abasanendaba nawe wena ufana negrandpa into abayikhumbula mhlawumbe ephethwe yikhanda kuyoma election uyisikorobo kuphela makuchitheka amanzi bazokukhumbulayo ngoba nakusekumele ukuthi kuyovota awukwazi kwenza into leyo kanjalo abahlonishwa bane-tendency eyodwa mbomvu bonke futhi bane-tendency yokuthi bona bazi ukuthi imali yaziwo ibone ukuthi isetshenziswa kanjani futhi iyaphi banaleyo nto leyo and mangabe kunezimali eziphumile abasuke kumele ukuthi bazidle bazi ukuthi izimali ziya kuma girlfriend zabo mina mbovu ngiyahlala nabahlonishwa sengangabona inqwaba abahlonishwa umuntu avela gift intombazana angazi ukuthi uyayazi avela igift ngo100,000 makade kuphuma imali zamasipala ingane kade ikhala ngemali ikhala simply amount ka1.5 yokuthenga indwele umuntu avela avumbule u100,000 inqwaba yo-MEC nabahlonishwa ngakukhotela kunezingane namhlanje nama companies ezazi ukubhida njengoba iningi labafuthi abakwazi ukubhida ukuthi yini la nama company ezinye ziyasebenza zenza inqwabe kwahlukahlukana kwemisebenzi noma sebahlukana nabahlonishwa kodwa wena umhlonishwa kade umphusha yavotelwa noma enzani ngeke leyo nto leyo so sengisho ukuthi abantu bakithi abayeke ukuba loyal kubantu abangekho loyal kubona le ndaba ukuthi sibe loyal kubahlonishwa sisabuthi bazosibulala bazosenzani nani vele ayikho umuntu ophile ngenkani la emhlabeni futhi sonke sinendlela lethu siyohamba ngayo ngandlela thizeni ukuthi kanjani ayikho waziyo so asiphilileke ngenkani but izinto if it include public funds we must expose them bayafunga bengena lapha ukuthi bayawuseva umphakathi lapha out of office benze yonke into ongayicabanga abantu bakithi abayeke kuba loyal kubantu abarong abangekho loyal kubona ungawuthanda umhlonishwa ngaphezulu komphakathi lo osuku wakhela noma lo osuku kuwona singabantu sonke sinempilo sidinga ama developments and isikole in nowadays sichonyelwa abantu abangosomathenda kunamhlanje bomvu sifundile saya konke ngokuhlukana ama institutions but osomathenda basichomela basitshela ukuthi bona bafundile kodwa banayona yonke into abayidingayo emhlabeni isikole it's something that look like it is useless thing ever kodwa futhi sibe sazi ukuthi sibalekile ngoba izingane zawo bayikhokhela ama school fees almost 500,000 annually ngonyaka bayazi sibalekile kodwa mabefika la kuyimedia bathi mina ngibaqashile ngani ngibaqashile osurvey ngibaqashile usibani ukuthi ngibahola 30 something thousand ngenyanga kuze kudlale kwenziwe ngisho umzekeliso yabona khona abantu abane profession kakhulu othisha mina ngiyabahlonipha othisha kulesizwe lezi ngoba nami ngilento engiyona nami mbuvule into eyona namhlanje it is because of a teacher it is because of your principal akekho umuntu ngisho president uyilento akayiyona namhlanje because of uthisha angeke kube yilento lo yona uthisha usebenza umsebenzi wokugruma kukhulise ngaphezulu kwamzali wakho ahlale nawe isikhathi esingaphezulu kwamzali wakho unyaka wonke kuze kophela unyaka but ngesimo se-corruption yesizwe esikuyona it looks like as if education is useless and unfortunately ukuthi no government nesystem yethu esiphila ngaphansi kwayo esiyisevayo esisevayo nayo still injalo iyasigcila phansi akwazi ukuthi you can be a doctor but uhlelo umuntu wagcina grade 10 owenza uCIPC wenza uCOIDA wenza uUIF wenza ibusiness planning mhlawumbe abanemali wakwazi ukuthi abe linked nabantu abathile useyakuhlula ngempilo ngesimo sokuthi uyakwazi ukuthi monthly invoice asale nemali engaphezulu kwa 600,000 It is wasteless mbovu leyo nto leyo. I-system ka-government wethu esinayo nandlela thizeni but ke silaye egebengwini. Abantu bakithi abangabhayiziseki. Ungakwazi ukupraise umhlonishwa, ungapraise umuntu okomunye umuzi wena angakasaza kuthandaza. Ngaphezulu kwezwe lakho uthanda umhlonishwa ngaphezulu kokuyithanda wena. Ungayenzi leyo nto leyo ngoba uneyingane. Maya kupha 10,000 rand noma 5,000 yena ingane yakhe ngeke iphile ngaleyo mali leyo. Wena ngoba uyisiphukuphuku uzompost uhamba umthwala yona yonke indawo le abantu bakithi abakhule bahlonishwa ngathi bengehlisa nasebugebengweni. Siyazi ukuthi kunzima kunje kulesikhathi lesikusona uma uyashisa. We stand on the side of baba uNdonga inkwali yenkosi kulesikhathi lesomzima esikhona. Nabona bonke labakhona ngize ngisole mbovu kokugcina sengivala ukuthi igazi lo Oliver Tambo, lo Steve Mbiko, lo Khrizani, lo John Langabalele Dube, wonke ama revolutionalist, ama heroes esaba nawo. Liyakhuluma mbomvu lapha elikhona alithule. Liyakhuluma bonke bayabhixana bonke abenzi bokubi kulelizwe leli bonke baneyinkinga kwahlukahlukana ukona wonke amaqembu. Khona ke wathi asiphathe Democratic Alliance. Ukona wonke amaqembu. Khona ke wathi asiphathe Democratic Alliance. Ukona wonke amaqembu. Khona ke wathi ngivala lana kwasongena umuntu one-echo khona kwathi asiphathwe i-Democratic Alliance. Democratic Alliance ayimfuna kumkona umkhwanazi, abantu abamhlophe bayifuni accountability from black people. Uma umuntu omnyama you can't handle a white skin accountable. Nanoma yikuphi umlungu ngisho ungamtshela i-procedure noma indlela ofuna kwenzakale ngakhona mhlambe la usukusebenza khona akayithathi leyo nto leyo serious. And siyadingana sisonke but to be led by white skin is not a solution. This is our country and we won't surrender ngezwe lethu sonke sinje sibheda kunazona zonke izinto ezikhona but siyalithanda izwe lethu asifuni commission siyisizwe ngoba izomosha imali nama state resource funds. Uhulumeni uSirili akathatha initiative ebhede ukujabulisa bonke abahlali bala eMzansi singama voters. Next year we are going to local government elections. Abantu bakithi abavote wise bengavoti ngemizwa yabo. Bayeka abantu bakithi ukuthanda ama individuals. Bayeka abantu bakuthanda abahlonishwa ngaphezulu kokuyithanda bona. Thank you.
Sibonge kumhlonishwa uSiyamiyeza bakwethu ngifuthi challenge la. Uzosho okushoyo ungaqedi u2 minutes. Mawusukhuza isela langakini eliphethe uthi aliyeke kwemali yabakhokhi bentela alenze okright. Baba uMiyeza wesibili omdala.
Ngibingelele Mbonvu, ngibingelele yonke ipanel. Ngibingelele umzukwase. Ngombonvu engathi nina ninomiyeza nichemile nje nobabili nini. Nina nikhuluma 30 minutes 1 hour bese nithi thina sikhuluma 2 minutes. Ake ngiqale lapho oqala ngibuze nikwenzelani lokho?
Sixolise baba uMiyeza ufuna 30 minutes. Khuluma 30 minutes noma 1 hour.
Ngengene ngizo breaker engazi ukuthi ngibhadele ukuthi ngimela lapho kuwena. Kufanele mawuthi 2 minutes ngihloniphe lokho bengi-underline nje ukuthi nina nomyeza. Umyeza umbomvu kufanele akavele lana ukuthi yena ukuliphi iqembu yena umyeza. Esewaboneka
nami. Baba uMiyeza mhlawumbe ufana nami kodwa mhlawumbe akayikhulumele. Wemiyeza omncane ukuliphi iqembu?
Mina nginasikhathi sokudlala. Mhlawumbe mhlaba ngiphi imali noma ilentozana amamitha ambalwa ngiyoba nalo iqembu. Akunasikhathi sokudlala ngoba inkonto ziyefana nje uhlezi usho nje. Uma uhlezi uzwa on my content hlezi ngibhaxabula zonke into le. The waste nje kuphela ukusebenzisa imali kahulumeni ngenhliziyo zomphakathi. Thank you.
Naba bethu iEFF. Naba babhala lapha phansi bathi
angisangalo iEFF ade ngithuka kulezi insuku ngibatshela ngithi uJulius can support umkhwanazi as much as he can but the major problem umkhwanazi ahleze khala ngayo it is these foreign nationals angabangani baJulius Malema akade akayifuni xenophobic vote abahleze beyisho so ayisebenzeli yonke le nto leyo like uJulius told us ukuthi these illegal foreign nationals they will be our future employers. So mina njengomyeza I can't allow ukuthi ngithuka ngiqashwe umuntu osuka la eMalawi noma eMozambique wawela ngesikebhe emanzini ofike nokuyikhwapha lana kade edla ufish yonke into le angikwazi kwenzeka kade ngithuka iEFF ngithukela leyo nto le angisazi ukuthi ngiyona iphike futhi leyo EFF leyo angazi ukuthi kuthiwani.
Are we on EFF?
See,
Are we on ANC?
like Mbovu, ngithi angisiyona EFF, neither ANC no Inkatha Freedom Party or i-Democratic Alliance. Ngisebenzi leyo nto leyo.
Siyabonga, Mzukwazi uyaphenduleka.
Ngiyaphendula ngizombamba nje ngoba wakithi angizuhlala kuyena kakhulu. Mhlawumbe umuntu mhlawumbe ulokhu edweba abanye olayini abangenasidingo wasibuza nje bengiphawula mhlawumbe Mbomvu mina sengizwile sengihlalile sengiqedile i-hour ngihlezi la ngilalele ngibuka hayi ziyakhala ngoba zibuye ekhaya nakuthina thina-ke sopolitiki ngempela-ke abantu bakithi noma ngabhaxabula bathini sopolitiki angikusho lokho kodwa angifisi ukusho ukuthi mina ngenhlanhla yami noma ngebhadi lami akukho mali engangaphiwa yona ngokwesikhundla futhi akaze ngiphe umuntu imali ukuthi ngusopolitiki noma ngiyikhansela futhi angipraise mina okwami ukuhamba ngiyongqongqoza ngidonsa yonke iminyango kahulumeni ngidonsa wonke ama-private sectors bonke abantu abafisa ukudevelopha nokuthuthukisa indawo ngizothuthukisa yona ma ngihlulekile kodwa njengamanje Mbovu into ecommon ekuthina sonke abantu be-South Africa noma bekuthiwa ngowaliphi iqembu-ke njengamanje noma bekuthiwa uvotela liphi ake sibuke lento kaGesi ukuthi uminister lo wa-electricity okhona o-introducwe 5 years ago una 6 years njengamanje ngoba besingenayo all along uminister kaGesi. Umbuzo wami uthi ilo wangena uminister iluphi ushintsho esesinalo eselukhona ngoba kwezinye indawo asekhona ama-load shedding asekhona ama-load reduction izinto zonke ziyakhuphuka ugesi ngendlela odula ngakhona Mbovu udula ukuxaka abantu bakithi noma ngathi ugesi uyafaka mathi unawo ugesi kodwa ugesi uyadura nanokuthi yipi system in place abangasichazela yona abangasitshela yona ukuthi yonke ezokwazi ukubhekana nayo le sikwazi nje ukuthi lento ngoba awukwazi ukuthenga ugesi abantu bakithi abahluphekile ogogo nomkhulu emakhaya nalabantu bakithi odadewethu nabafothi abangasebenzi abasemakhaya uma umuntu ethenga ugesi ngo-50 rand kufana nokuthi uyadlala nje uzodlala 2 days 3 days ekugcineni bese abantu bakithi begcina sebewurobha ngenhloso yokuthi bayawufuna ukuwubuka bengathi mhlambe kuzofuneka sihambe Mbovu ngelinye ilanga ke sibuke izinto ezifana nalezo ke sibuke nje i-department ngayinye from national to the local level ukuthi abantu bakithi ibasiza ngani uma kusuka kuphi kugcina kuphi ngoba ekugcineni siyokhala njalo sithuthuka siyiboni ngathi kufakiwe le tender system esishoyo nalento ye-privatization ekhona uzokhumbula Mbovu ukuthi ngeke ngaphawula ngathi sinento eziningi esizikhiqizayo eNingizimu Afrika kodwa bese ziyaphuma ziye ngaphandle exportwe bese ziyabuya la sezi-expensive lezodla thina-ke manje ngento zethu sesibhadala imali eningi fisi-ke Mbovu kodwa ukuthi ngeqe kakhulu ukuthi 2 minute wakho kodwa bengidweba nje umugqa uthi ake silande i-department ne-department ngayinye ku-national ize la ikizo-accounta nabo bonke abantu abasuke beyiphethe yazi-ke mhlawumbe ukuthi abanye bazolokhu becashacasha ngendlela abangacasha ngayo no-authority authorization yonke into no-resolution kodwa ekugcineni wonke umuntu ufunezela azophawula. Ngiyabonga Mbovu.
Mzukwazi sibonge kakhulu tata uluxolo kuthiwa kufanele sifumane abantu bombani kwenzeka ntoni e-Eastern Cape tata mkhulu?
Hayi apha bawumbomvu Eastern Cape kufitho likhala yodwa ayingomasela zinkunzi cha ke banelaki ngento enye bakhokhela abantu abathanda bona ukodlula iziqu zabo abantu bakuthi andiyazi noba mhlawumbe kuyaba kanti ndiyabathuka bawumbomvu kodwa ndizayithetha inyani ethi ingqondo zabo andizazi bazicinga njani kodwa ke ubuya iqaphela silolona phondo mos lika-cutting edge kodwa singabo bantu baqhubekeka benika urhulumente omnye nombutho omnye olawulayo ithuba ukuba makaphathe aqhubeleke. Yabona ngoku kuyi-disaster ngoku nawuzathi bekho le disaster ikhoyo apha eKSD koWar Tambo yonke awusikaboni umehluko thina. Cha into esiyibonayo cha kuya kuba nzima cha phezu kobunzima besinabo. Andifuni uba umbomvu uyiphazamisa lento ndisezoyithetha lento cha umyazi uphumile ubhuti lo umncinci kunotata lo. Utshaba lo muntu omnyama okwalomzuzu ba umbomvu thina abantu batsha silubona ngumuntu omnyama asikaliboni ngumlungu. Ii-politicians ezikhoyo zingabantu abamnyama, the majority yazo. The majority yabantu abaku-National Assembly ngabantu abamnyama. Bayi-minority abantu abamhlophe njengesiqhelo. Kodwa kunzima uba kuthathwe izigqibo ezizawudivelopha thina singabantu abamnyama. Into abayaziyo inye qha kunika iitshomi zabo nabantwana babo nokuqinisekisa uba qha thina bezizi. Loo nto ingathi ithandwa sithi izawunceda thina ayisebenzeli. Umzekelo le kaGeneral Mkhwanazi biseyithethile phaa wayitshila uJulius wathi inkunzi yomkhwetha nondodana lo umncinci unondoda lo kuthiwa ngupresident we-Youth League babe sebethethile phaa bethetha ukusa ibe ngathi umntu uthetha kwakhe egadini. Kodwa kuyabonakala uba uCyril the emveni bethethile noba ubaxelele uba ngeneno kwabo. Thina apha e-Eastern Cape umbomvu sicela siyithethe into edibenise noGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi siyayisapota kakhulu. Yanga uYehova ngasinceda into masiyicacise inye. Othe wathatha uyandiva ba umbomvu
mamela wena mkhulu
othe into ngamehlo abomvu.
hayi badilishana nawe ke
upresident simlinde ngamehlo abomvu.
hayi badilishana nawe
upresident simlinde ngamehlo abomvu ba umbomvu bamakathethe and sinethemba elikhulu ba umbomvu upresident uzawuthi nxa ithethayo athethe into efavor thina. Zonke ezi zingamasela inkunzela ezi funeke zigcothiwe zibanjiwe nazo mazike ziyoqamela phaa ngogqiba ingqondo make bayejele.
hayi
asifuni nobe si
hayi uyabethakala umkhulu ubethakele wazophuma mhleze ubani umhleze jaha hey madoda swazi
Sanibonani.
uyaphila
Siyaphila ninjani?
uNkulunkulu inkosi
Siyabonga. I'm so sorry. I'm not very good ngesizulu ne. I'm part Swazi. But
bathina baswati ya khuluma iswati khuluma
ngizokhuluma iSwati, ngikhuluma isiZulu, ngikhulume nesilungu ne. So I'm a pub owner in Soweto. Gauteng, it's one of the biggest pubs, lingana na no disofeng and all that. And I think the most important thing ekumele sibheke education yabantu. Sihambile indlela yabo councillor ababolile. We went and CSR report kuma chief whip. So I think education is important about ama steps ekumele siwathathe ngoba akusizi ukukhuluma nje kuphela. I think we need to take action. Uma reporter, things start to happen. Manje, industrial area le enguyo has been given a forum from the city of Johannesburg to try and resolve our issues as begane now. So I think it's important that people know there's a chief whip in each and every municipality that you write to umbonisi proof yokuthi councillor is not working, councillor is doing X, Y, and Z. But I want to know this group, because I follow izinto ze governance and all of that. I'm very active. I've been on the news and so on and so forth in my context of media and all. I want to know is it just for KZN? Because I enjoy it, but also I need to ngifuna ukuthi abantu bayijoyine. So ngifuna ukutshela nalabanye abamabhizinisi ngapha Johannesburg ukuthi abajoyine le group. Is it just for KZN, or are we all included?
Clean Governance is a national footprint organization. We've got more members there in Soweto than you think. We've got your MMC for housing. Mlungi Simabaso was on our live about 2 days ago. He's from city of Johannesburg. So we've got more members that side. But we've got members in KZN. Lo Pumango, who is based in Eastern Cape. We've got members in Limpopo, Pumalanga, Bukoni, Bupirima. We've got members Northern Cape, Kakamas. We've got members in Western Cape. We've got members throughout South Africa and abroad.
Please, I think it's very important. Nabantu bafana nabomyeza and all of that. Can we just come together, perhaps create a WhatsApp group so that we can share our contacts? Because Nama media houses, they are looking for such stories. It's important. It works. I didn't have electricity for 5 years, but I fought. Ukuthi umhlakazi uzube khona ngilwa ngemedia ngagcina sengiyisa no councillor to be reported, even though city of Johannesburg is not part of the ESCOM. She was supposed to help us and all of that, and there were many other issues. There are still a lot of issues, but I think it's time for action. Njengoba ubukhuluma bhuti. So if there's a WhatsApp group or whatever, just let us know. Let's join. Let's move. Let's try and make this country be clean, be right. But I want to stress that. Let us take action. And as advisor, I can send some of the emails that I sent to certain parties that got me some results. I've got a national contact here, say ESCOM, that makes things happen. Guys, let's start to take action, real action now. Not just talking, marches and all of that. Let us make it like, this is the contact, this is the email address, this is the telephone number. This is the person with media house. Let's do that. Please, I'm open to any WhatsApp. I'm going to leave my phone number here. Guys. Yes, but I'm going to leave a telephone number here for you guys. WhatsApp. And yeah, let's work, guys. Thank you.
No problem. Drop us your contact details. Jans, is Jans still here? Ustatela information, but if not, no problem. We'll collect your numbers or send a little DM. No, it's okay. In any way, we will make sure that we keep them and see another WhatsApp group. Also, advice would see Kale Siabonga Kakul. Okay, there is the number 08247 number. Thank you so much. Ngicabanga ukuthi ithathele baba umyeza thandeni inamba kaSiswazi siyabonga mhlese cha akakabuyi mahlala ngazi mahlala enzani
Lepophile sanibonani baba umbombo nethimba lonke.
Oy siyaphila uyaphila wena.
Hayi singaneno baba umbombo. Angazi noma ngizokala kahle yini kunomhlonjanyana la ngikhona.
Ngizokala kahle kakhulu.
Cha mina baba
nezinakho li clear.
Ngiyabonga baba. Uncane nje ngifuna ukubuza mina baba umbombo kodwa kubalulekile kukuncane kunjalo ukuthi njengezakhamuzi zaseMzansi Afrika ayikho yini indlela esingaba nayo ukuthi iqokele nje umuntu ongekho kwezepolitiki noma kulamaqembu ezepolitiki akhona simqoke ngokumethemba sithi akasiphathele izwe. Lokho ngikushiso ngani ngikushiso yini baba umbombo ngizokwenza isibonelo ngobaba uMsweli nje oyiqoqela o10 rand ngebhakede. Kodwa mningi kakhulu imisebenzi aseyenzile siyibuka ngamehlo kilo lonke izwe laseMzansi Afrika. Kodwa manje bese siba nohulumeni wethu ositax imali ezinkulu inyanga nenyanga. Kodwa nje indlela imali etshotshwa ngayo bafowethu iyamangalisa. Umbuzo wami sekutheni mhlamba ayikho indlela esingenza ngayo njengezakhamuzi ngoba ubuka sengathi osopolitiki bonke bafana ngathi bazalo mama oyedwa. Mabe sashela bakhuluma ukuphila kodwa mase behlele ezihlalweni benza ukubola kodwa. Umbuzo wami bula lapho baba umbombo ngiyabonga ithuba.
Ukunika nje impendulo ungakehli 2029 national government elections sinalo ilungelo lokuqoka i-independent candidate sivotele yena for president. ESouth Africa umongameli simkhipha through i-vote sifake omunye. Sesingabheka ukuthi contest ama-elections for leyo candidate ka-president kuba yimalini mhlambe-ke sesingayithatha lapho. Okay, kuyenzeka. Ngiyabonga.
Mbovu uyaphila. Hayi angibonge Nzombane. Ngise-Kranskop, umasipala wami umvoti. I-district yami umzinyathi. Yebo. Hayi akuthathwa amasayidi ke la Mbovu. Kunento engangiphethe kahle mfowethu. Ngila eKranskop. Umfowethu yes. Umfowethu ubese ngozini ngomgqibelo. Eshayiswa u-ex-mayor uMthandeni Ngubane eKranskop.
Umthandeni ubaba uPetros Ngubane.
Yebo. Wadlula imoto ngokungafanelekile washayisa itekisi. Umfowethu critical usastenga i-condition yakhe critical kahle. Angithathe lokho. Estenga hayi odokotela bakhona asiqale phezulu. I-executive yakhona yamaphara. Odokotela bakhona bamaphara. Uyaphansi kumanesi bamaphara. La kugadwe khona angingasho ukuthi la kugadwe khona ama security awenza umsebenzi ngendlela. Masingena umfowethu ithambo lapha yana amathambo lapha eqakeleni avavekile. Abakazi nanamanje ukuthi kumele bafake insimbi noma benzeni bathi abanawo ama-facilities ama-facilities.
Okay, so ngicela ukukulungisela indaba yakho. Njengamanje sizothinta umuntu obizwa ngo-ombudsman waka-health. So then we fail. Kodwa sobe sesixhumanisile naye sithole umphathi waleso sibhedlela, sithole umphathi waka-health province, sizame ukuyilungisa. Sidlulisele nakwabanye bepolitiki. Yeah.
Ngicela uqhubeke.
Hayi sifuna ukuthola isolution kodwa. Sesizwele ubuhlungu. Yeah.
Yes. Ya ubuhlungu sesibutholile sesibuzwile ukuthi kwenzakalani. Lapha eStenga. Kumele kube no sister osewadini ogade iwadi. Akukho lokho ngizokuvezela noma ngikusendele. Akho umuntu okhona lapho mangabe kuthiwa kwenzeka noma yini esigulini usister mhlawumbe aresponde noma abize udokotela. Akukho lokho. Kuyinto eyakhiwe wayakha uhulumeni sekufakwe nanembhede kwafakwa yonke into ongayazi. Mawufika laphayana njoba ngithi amaphara bengizama ukuchaza bavele bakuhlasele nje uthi uyakhuluma uthi why ubani engeziwe ini kanje bazokutshela ukusutha kwabo. Hey yabona iStenga ngihlukumezekile Mbovu kakhulu. Kodwa leyo nto isuka kuphi? Akazange aphendule noma yazi u-ex-mayor uyabazi abantu abenza kalabo lapha kwenzeka ingozi ngomgqibelo kodwa akazile kubona. Wavela wacasha uthi wacasha emobeni noma wenze njani walandwa zikhulu zenkatha imoto yashona ngale akangabonakala wokuyena owakhoza ingozi we-ex-mayor njengoba ngitshela nje washayisa ikhumbi driver umfana wakaHlobo.
Hayi. Sizwe kahle bhuti.
Manje ngicela ukubuza ukuthi yini ngasho ukuthi u-ex mayor ube sengozini kufihliwe lokho.
Sizombuza nje naye manje. Sizombuza nawe socela usi-DM ubani lo oshweshwezayo manje ovula imic.
Ngicabanga ukuthi angazi lapha kwipanel yakho mhlawumbe akubukusisa.
Yeah. Ngizocela ukuthi simbuze silo samabandla. Cela uvale imic bhuti. Ungadini.
Awungakithi usilo futhi emsinga.